going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got Chris here as usual.
How's it going?
So we're going to be working on this car today. I believe it's an 04, maybe an 03. What year is it? 04 Mach 1. We're going to be doing some lowering springs on it. We might have to modify a couple things on the front springs because we want to go low. So let's go ahead and get it started. You ready for it? Good. Alright guys, so it's all done and she looks very pretty. Very, very nice. So, what do you think, bud?
Oh man, I love it.
You happy with it?
It looks amazing. Great job.
Thanks, bud.
Yeah.
I think it came out pretty good.
It looks pretty nice.
Alright guys, so I appreciate you watching today. Definitely leave a comment down below what you think of this. You okay? Yeah. Definitely leave a like down below what you think about the old Mach 1. Definitely came out pretty nice, and I guess we'll see you on the next one.